In this video, we're going to look at paragraphs. Knowing how to write a good paragraph is especially important in academic writing. What will we learn? We will learn what a paragraph is. We will learn what kind of sentences a paragraph has. And finally, we will learn the format of a paragraph. What is a paragraph? Well, let's start with some definitions. Let's define a paragraph. A paragraph is a group of sentences about the same topic. Let's define a topic sentence. The topic sentence is a sentence in a paragraph that tells the reader what the paragraph is about. It is the main idea about the paragraph. Please note that every good paragraph has a topic sentence. And many times, but not always, the first sentence in the paragraph is the topic sentence. The other sentences in the paragraph give more information about the topic sentence. Let's look at an example of a paragraph. Let me read this paragraph for you. My friend Mary is a very kind person. She likes helping people. She visits sick people in the hospital, and she spends time reading to young children at the library. She brings food to her old neighbor because he cannot cook for himself anymore. She takes another neighbor's dog for a walk because that person is in a wheelchair. Mary is the kindest person I know. So in this paragraph, my friend Mary is a very kind person is the topic sentence. All the other sentences, for example, she likes helping people, she visits sick people in the hospital, and she spends time reading to young children at the library, these sentences help explain, give examples of why Mary is a very kind person. Now, what if I wrote a paragraph that almost looked like the one before? It has the same topic sentence, my friend Mary is a very kind person, and then what if I wrote, she likes helping people, she visits sick people in the hospital, and she spends time reading to young children at the library. There's a library close to her house. She brings food to her old neighbor because he cannot cook for himself anymore. Mary loves to eat tamales. She takes another neighbor's dog for a walk because that person is in a wheelchair. Mary also has a dog. Mary is the kindest person I know. Well, in this example, if you look at this paragraph and you look at the 3 red sentences that I added, those sentences in red do not help tell me why Mary is a kind person. That she has a library close to her house is not connected to her being a kind person. That she loves to eat tamales also is not connected to her being a kind person. And then finally, the sentence that says Mary also has a dog does not connect, does not help show why Mary is a very kind person. So these sentences are not about the topic sentence, and therefore this paragraph is not as good as the paragraph that we looked at before. What kind of sentences does a paragraph have? Usually, a paragraph has 3 kinds of sentences. 1, a topic sentence. 2, supporting sentences. And 3, a concluding sentence. Let's give a definition for each kind of sentence. The topic sentence we wrote already, but just to review, the topic sentence is a sentence in a paragraph that tells the reader what the paragraph is about. It is the main idea about the paragraph. Supporting sentences give me more information about the topic sentence. And finally, the concluding sentence is the last sentence in the paragraph. It reminds the reader what your paragraph is about. It almost looks like this topic sentence, but it uses different words. Here is our example paragraph again, but this time I put some numbers in front of each sentence. So what I want you to do is think about which number is the topic sentence, which numbers are the supporting sentences, and which number is the concluding sentence. Now let's look at the answers. Number 1 is a topic sentence. Sentences numbers 2, 3, 4, and 5 are the supporting sentences. Each of these sentences gives me more information or tells me why Mary is a very kind person. And then sentence number 6 is a concluding sentence. Notice that sentence number 6, Mary is the kindest person I know, looks very similar to the topic sentence number 1, my friend Mary is a very kind person. What is the format of a paragraph? When we say format, what we mean is how should you write your paragraph on a piece of paper or when you type it on a computer? Here are some rules to follow, but please remember that different teachers might have different rules. Indent the first sentence of the paragraph. Start each sentence with a capital letter. Finish each sentence with a period or question mark or exclamation mark. And if you write a title for your paragraph, then center the title above the paragraph. Let's look at our example paragraph from before to learn more about how to format a paragraph. Look at the word indent. Do you see how the first word my has been pushed a little bit to the right? That's what we mean when we say indent. So your first sentence should always be pushed a little bit more to the right. After that, we see the title, My Kind Friend Mary, and that should be in the center of the line wherever you're writing the title. Then we also see that every sentence should begin with a capital letter. And also, the end of every sentence should have a punctuation mark, either a period, a question mark, or an exclamation mark. In this example, the only punctuation we've used is a period. Review quiz answers. Number 1, a paragraph is a group of sentences about the same topic. Number 2, a topic sentence gives the main idea about the paragraph. Number 3, the 3 kinds of sentences in a paragraph are topic sentence, supporting sentences, and concluding sentence. Number 4, you should indent the first sentence of your paragraph. If you haven't already, please check out the worksheet that goes along with this video at www.lingoku.com. See you in the next episode.